In standard mode, hold D for 2 seconds to enter time setting. Press B to reset the seconds to 0. Press C to cycle through settings. Press B to adjust each value. Hold B for fast adjustment. Press D to save and return to standard mode. Press C to switch to AL mode. Press D to activate alarm setting. Sends mode. After the alarm sounds, it repeats every 5 minutes up to 7 times, until any button is pressed. Hold D for 2 seconds to enter time setting. Press B to adjust the hour. Press C to switch to minutes. Press B to adjust minutes. Press C to switch to month. Press B to adjust month. Press C to switch to date. Press B to adjust date. Press D to save. When the alarm rings, press any button to stop. Press C twice to enter SD mode. Press B to start. Press D to enter split timing. Press D to exit split timing. Press B to stop. Press D to reset. Press C 3 times to return to standard mode. Press C 4 times to enter TR mode. Hold D for 2 seconds to enter setting. Press B to adjust hours. Press C to switch to minutes. Press B to adjust minutes. Press D to save. Press B to start or stop. Press D to return to the time just set. In standard mode, press C 3 times to enter DD mode. Hold D for 2 seconds to enter setting. Press B to adjust hours. Press C to switch to minutes. Press B to adjust minutes. Press D to save. Press C twice to read them to normal mode. Press C to enter AL mode. Press B to enter setting. Press D to turn hourly chime on or off. In standard mode, press B. 24H displayed means 24-hour format.